Welcome to Web Biz Market. In today's fast-paced digital world, making money online has become an accessible and lucrative option for many. With the rise of technology and the internet, there are countless opportunities to generate income from the comfort of your own home or while on the go. One innovative method that has gained popularity is leveraging Google Maps. This powerful tool, which most people use for navigation, can also be a goldmine for those who know how to utilize it effectively. By understanding the intricacies of Google Maps, you can tap into a variety of income streams. Whether it's through local business marketing, affiliate marketing, or even offering your services as a Google Maps expert, the possibilities are vast. This approach can potentially yield daily earnings ranging from $50 to $200 or more, depending on the strategies employed. For instance, helping local businesses improve their visibility on Google Maps can be a highly sought-after service. Additionally, you can create and sell custom maps, offer consulting services, or even develop apps that integrate with Google Maps. The key is to identify a niche that aligns with your skills and interests. In this series, we will explore various techniques and strategies to help you maximize your earnings using Google Maps. From basic tips to advanced tactics, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started and succeed in this exciting field. So, stay tuned and get ready to unlock the potential of Google Maps as a powerful tool for making money online. Let's dive in and discover how you can turn this everyday app into a profitable venture. We'll delve into real-life case studies, showcasing individuals who have successfully turned Google Maps into a revenue-generating tool. You'll learn from their experiences and gain insights into the best practices and common pitfalls to avoid. From setting up your Google My Business profile to optimizing local SEO, we'll guide you through each step of the process. You'll also discover how to use advanced features like Google Maps API to create custom solutions for clients. To help you stay ahead of the curve, we'll provide updates on the latest trends and tools in the Google Maps ecosystem. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, there's something for everyone in this comprehensive guide. So, grab your laptop, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey together. By the end of this series, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to turn Google Maps into a profitable venture. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and identify. Begin by exploring Google Maps to get a comprehensive view of the area you're targeting. Identify businesses in your chosen niche that have incomplete or outdated profiles. Look for missing information such as contact details, business hours, or customer reviews. Pay attention to the details. Check if the business has accurate location pins, updated photos, and a well-written description. Engage with business owners to understand their needs and how you can help them improve their online presence. These gaps present an opportunity for improvement, allowing you to offer valuable services that can enhance their visibility and customer engagement. Step 2. Contact business owners. This step is crucial in building a strong network and establishing your presence in the business community. Reach out to the business owners via email or phone. Start by compiling a list of potential businesses that could benefit from your services. Personalize your communication to make a strong first impression. Research each business thoroughly to understand their needs and challenges. Introduce yourself and explain how you can help enhance their online presence. Be clear and concise about your expertise and the specific services you offer. Tailor your pitch to address their unique needs and challenges. Use data and examples to demonstrate your value. Highlight the importance of accurate information and positive reviews in attracting more customers. Share examples of how other businesses have benefited from improved online profiles and customer feedback. Emphasize the role of positive reviews in building trust and credibility. Offer to show them real-time analytics and case studies. Offer your services to update their Google Maps profile, manage customer reviews, or even create engaging content for their listing. Explain how these services can lead to increased visibility and customer engagement. Provide case studies or testimonials to back up your claims. Suggest a free initial consultation to discuss their specific needs. Make sure to follow up with the business owners to answer any questions and to show your commitment to helping them succeed. Building a relationship based on trust and mutual benefit is key to long-term success. Step 3. Offer value-added services. To maximize your earnings, consider offering additional services like SEO optimization, social media management, or website development. Many businesses are willing to invest in a comprehensive digital marketing package that ensures they stand out in local search results. SEO optimization involves improving a website's visibility on search engines, which can drive more traffic and potential customers to a business. Social media management includes creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance metrics to boost a brand's online presence. Website development ensures that a business has a professional, user-friendly site that can convert visitors into customers. By offering these value-added services, you can provide a comprehensive solution that meets all of a business's digital marketing needs, leading to higher client satisfaction and increased revenue for you. Step 4. Set your rates. This is a crucial step in establishing your business and ensuring you are compensated fairly for your expertise and time. Depending on the scope of work and your expertise, you need to carefully evaluate the market standards and your unique value proposition. Start by researching what others in your field are charging. Consider your own experience and skills. If you have specialized knowledge or a unique approach, you can justify higher rates. Conduct thorough market research. Look at industry reports, online forums, and professional networks to gather data on standard rates. Set competitive rates for your services. You might consider charging a flat fee for profile updates, which can be a straightforward way to handle one-time projects. Alternatively, a monthly retainer for ongoing management can provide a steady income stream and build long-term client relationships. This can be particularly beneficial for clients who need continuous support. When discussing rates with clients, be transparent about what is included in your services. Break down the costs and be prepared to justify your pricing with examples of your past work and results. Draft clear contracts that outline your rates, payment terms, and the scope of work to avoid any misunderstandings. Include clauses for revisions and additional work to protect both parties. Utilize financial planning tools to track your earnings and expenses. This will help you ensure your rates are sustainable for your business and allow you to make adjustments as needed. Setting the right rates can help you achieve your daily earnings goal and contribute to your overall financial success. Remember, your rates should reflect the value you bring to your clients and the quality of your work. Consider attending workshops or seminars on pricing strategies to stay updated on best practices and trends in your industry. This can provide valuable insights and help you refine your pricing model. Positive client feedback can also be a powerful tool in justifying your rates. Showcase testimonials and case studies to demonstrate the impact of your work. Networking with other professionals in your field can provide additional perspectives on pricing and help you stay competitive. Share experiences and learn from others to continuously improve your rate-setting strategy. Step 5. Deliver quality work. Ensure you deliver high-quality work that meets the business owner's expectations. Positive results will likely lead to repeat business and referrals, further increasing your income potential. Narrator. Pay attention to details and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. This not only builds trust, but also establishes your reputation as a reliable professional. Narrator. Always seek feedback and be open to making improvements. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining high standards and staying ahead of the competition. Narrator. Remember, a satisfied client is more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your services to others. This can significantly boost your visibility and attract more clients. Narrator. Stay organized and prepared for each job. Proper planning and execution ensure that you can consistently deliver top-notch results. Step 6. Expand your reach. As you gain experience and build a portfolio of successful projects, it's time to expand your reach to other cities or niches. The flexibility of this method allows you to target various markets, making the opportunities virtually endless. Start by researching potential markets that align with your skills and interests. Look for areas with high demand and less competition. Networking is crucial. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with local businesses to establish your presence. Stay updated with market trends and continuously adapt your strategies. This proactive approach will help you stay ahead of the competition. Remember, expanding your reach is not just about geographical growth, but also about diversifying your services to meet various client needs. All right, that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Share this video with your friends and family who might find it useful. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. Until next time, happy YouTubing and take care. WebBiz Market.